absolutely shit right now. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I just woke up. Jesus. But I'm going to be filming my Bonfire Night because it's Bonfire Night today, and it just feels like that's gone so fast because obviously it was only 5 days on from Halloween, like 5 days. So, but yeah. So this video is probably not going to come out until late, but there you go. Bonfire Night. I don't even know what I'm doing, let's just be honest. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I'm getting ready. I'm filming a couple other videos today. And then at night, I'll just be watching fireworks, eating food, and doing sparklers. So, sounds like a pretty fun day, to be honest. So, guys, it's dark. It's really bad, isn't it? So, it's officially dark, which means it's time for me to get ready for Bonfire Night. I'm going to be doing my makeup, I haven't even filmed the other videos yet. I am so behind. I've just not feeling it, but I am just going to get myself through it, and I'm going to be so excited because, yeah. By the way, these are the first ever Christmas nails I've put on. They're like blue, like cold weather kind of. I don't know. But I have got a lot more Christmas nails coming, and I'm literally so excited. So yeah, I know Christmas is not my favourite holiday. My favourite holiday's already passed, but it's still very fun. Definitely for my family, because my family is bloody obsessed. Like, every year is all about Christmas. Every year. So there you go. So yeah, it's time for me to get ready. I need to do my hair and my makeup, get changed. Yeah. Okay, so let's do this. And lucky for you, you get 2 videos today as well. Because you get, I don't know, I think it was a get ready with me, I'm not too sure. And then you get the Bonfire Night one. So lucky you guys, you get to see me twice today. Okay, I'm gonna get ready now. You are never gonna believe what just happened to me. My ring light has broken on me. So I don't know what's gonna happen now because it's literally broken. It came off the actual stand. So I'm gonna have to figure something out so I can carry on filming the other videos I need to film. Okay, let's forget about the stress and have fun somehow. So somehow I've kind of managed to kind of stand it up, like the ring light, just a little bit. Oof, I look rough. Okay, so I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna get dressed. Yes. So yeah, I've managed to somehow stand it up without the main part, but it can't stay like that, so I'm gonna have to get a new one somehow. But this might as well just go in the bin now. Okay, let's turn this more video into a stop complaining video and a more fun video. Let's do that. So guys, I decided to do some wrapping because I've still got some time left, and my mum's got Christmas presents, but she's going through some stuff right now with herself, so she can't wrap, so I am doing the wrapping for her. So yeah, this ring light is just not working. It fell down. I tried to stand it back up, and it just wasn't gonna stand up. So, but I'm not doing my makeup today because I feel like I need to get my skin sorted because I forgot to use my spot cream one night, and this is the outcome of me not using it for one night, just missing it one night. So yeah, now I'm gonna do some wrapping, and I'm gonna be watching Gilmore Girls because I'm in the middle of watching that, and I've restarted watching it because it's entertaining while doing stuff. So the stuff I have to wrap, though, I'll give you a little haul if I can even stand you up. This is so fun. Like, I don't know why.
I've done it wrong again.
Stop doing it wrong way then.
I need that moving.
Alright. You're like a little kid.
And I've got to break way this time.
No, you haven't.
I have.
They're that way. I'm filming you. Don't put that near me. You'll burn my hair off.
Well, that's done. You can move in. I'll take the rest.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Hello, Mum. Mum, you're not even looking.
I'm looking for fireworks.
You're like a little... What the hell?
I didn't see it. I don't know what it is.
Eh? It's not working.
Silly bitch.
Which one you got? Red?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's your favourite colour.
What the sparks says 53.
Yeah, but it hurts, doesn't it? We should stab one in the ground and bloody light it.
Oh no.
That'd be funny as. I've done it before.
No, that's you.
Let me do it.
Light art. Light one.
You do it with yours.
Yeah.
You've got two, you cheeky.
Yeah.
I can't grab it, I've got my phone. You've lit it twice. You've lit it twice. You're supposed to write your name with them. That was there.
Where?
Up there. I don't know which house it's from, but...
Your clothes is out.
Oh well. I hate when it gets close to end. They're green and orange, would you say?
Green and something.
Green and pink, maybe. I don't know. That one was there, near over there.
Yeah.
Breathe, you can see your breath.
I know I can't breathe it in, can I? Yeah.
Them ones are silent.
Oh, good. Get with bright light. Over that.
I don't know. It's right there, can you not see it? Yeah.
Well, he didn't.
All I do is just stop here.
Yeah.
That was good. That was really good. Yeah, I'm gonna fall and I'll fall down the step there. Oh, they're coming from everywhere now. This is not funny. Damn it!
Well, that's going high.
That is high. I know they are a bit. I don't know why my camera's like really blurry. Sorry, peoples. Ah, that's too close.
Oh, you have to go over here.
I'm going.
There.
They're too far away.
Down there again, look. Just beat it, eat it.
Okay.